Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I want to show you a product that was sent to me by this company called GOODaaa. This is actually a solar power bank, and what it is capable of doing, from what they tell me, is that you could put it out in the sun and you can charge your devices, whether it's a phone, a camera battery pack, whatever you have and needs to be charged up. You could put it out in the sun, plug into it, and you should be able to charge up your devices. So let's open it up and let's see what we get inside the packaging, and then we're going to test it and we're going to see how it works. All right, so obviously first thing we have is the owner's manual, which tells you how it works. It has the solar panel on the front of it there. Put this all out first, and we'll see what we actually get in the packaging. So let's open it up and let's see. All right, this is the unit itself, and this is a solar cell right here. So even being underneath these lights right here, this unit is actually producing electricity. So of course, if there's no sunlight on this, then we won't have any charging. But this is good because you can actually put it on your backpack while you're out hiking, or you're on your campsite, put it in the sun, and you can charge up your devices while you do whatever you're going to do. All right, so this is the cable that comes with it. It comes with a small little clip that you could clip it onto your backpack or wherever, so you can have it hanging out in the sun. It's just a little clip just like that. Let's open it up. This goes on the unit itself, and then this can hook on to whatever, your backpack or whatever. You can hook onto it, and then of course you tighten it up so that it won't accidentally fall off while you're out hiking around. All right, so let's put that down there. First time I'm looking at it, so bear with me. All right, these are the charging cables that looks like they come built into the unit itself. So let's pull this out first. And as we know, that's an iPhone charger right there. And it has other chargers as well. It comes with a larger one. It comes with a smaller one, depending on what your application is for your phone, your iPad, or whatever device you want to charge up. And what's nice is they stay attached right to the unit itself. All right, it does come with a compass built into the side. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a compass right here too, so you can tell what direction you're going, of course. And it looks like it has lights on it as well. All right, so let's take this off. Oh, okay, one other thing it does have as well, if you're in the dark and the sun's not shining, a rainy day or whatever, you have the ability to actually crank it like that to charge up your devices manually by hand. I don't know how that's going to work out, but we'll check that out too, and we'll see how that works. All right, so let's see how we turn this on. There's a button on the side right here. You just press it, and it powers up the lights just like that. It has like what they call a firefly mode. Let's try it again. That's our standard flashlights. That's just a blinking SOS, as you can see. 3 longs, 3 shorts. And then of course you have the firefly mode. All right. All right, let me grab a device. We're going to plug it in, and we're going to see if it actually does charge as it's supposed to. Now, you do have the ability, it looks like, to charge this unit up itself right here. It has a USB connector. Oh, okay, you have a USB connector you can plug right inside there, so if you have to charge something through a USB connector, and it plugs in right there. Okay, so let's grab a phone, let's plug it in and see how it works. Our phone, and let's see if it actually charges up as they say it's supposed to. Okay. Okay, so this power bank itself is charged up. So now the unit is actually charging. You can see how it's green up there, so we know it's charging. Let's turn it over, and we can leave it in the sun. And let me bring it, I'm going to unplug this, and I'm going to bring it a little closer, and I'll show you what it's actually doing. I hope you can see that right there. But this is actually charging right now. You can see these lights right here now. You see how they're not lit? We're going to press this, and you can see that it shows the state of charge. Like right now, it shows that there's 4 lights lit here, which means that the unit itself is fully charged. So when you leave it in the sun like this, and obviously we're not in the sun, it's the light from this light fixture here. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see how it's blinking right there. This unit is charging while we have it here in the light. And again, if we cover it up, it stops blinking, and we know it's no longer charging. But as soon as we uncover it, the cell itself, it charges. How long it would take to charge up, I'll have to find out when we read through this brochure right here. But that's the unit itself. And what I do like is that everything is attached to the back of the unit itself. It doesn't come off, so you never have to worry about misplacing anything. Everything is all self-contained. Okay. All right, let me read the directions, and we'll come right back. Okay, another feature I want to show you is that this piece on the back right here, this is actually a charging panel right here, so you can take your device, lay it on top of the unit itself like this, and it's wireless charging, so that way you can charge your phone up without plugging in the cables if your phone is capable of doing that. So we're going to turn this on, put this on top. Now, depending on what kind of a phone you have, or if you have a case on it, sometimes if you have the case on it, they don't charge, but we'll see. Okay, now this phone has got a case on it to protect the phone from when it falls. The wireless charging does not work, just so you know. All right, so there's different ways of charging it. You can charge it through here, and you can also plug it in and charge it into a solar panel right here. This plugs into a solar panel, so you can actually charge it. This is called a USB input cable right there. The other thing is you have the type right here. These are input and output, just so you know. You can charge your unit through here if you wanted to charge it through a USB connector. And so you have different options of how to charge it as well. All right, but that's the unit itself. And according to this here, this puts out through the one USB cable, it puts out 5 volts, 2.1 amps. Through the other port, number 2, it puts out 5 volts, 3 amps, just so you know. All right, so I'll put the link down below in my Amazon store. Check it out and see if it suits your needs. If it does, I'll be curious to see how it works for you. I will take this and use this when I am off the grid in the future, and I will do a follow-up video on it. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.